Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create or become a Spotify creator. Firstly, to get us on Spotify, you must use a music distributor like CD Baby, TuneCore, DistroKid, etc. Once your first song is released, Spotify automatically creates a profile for you. Most distributors provide direct prompts that let you claim your artist profile in just few clicks. Alternatively, go to Spotify for Artists and then click Claim Your Profile. Search for your artist name, confirm your distributor details, and verify your identity through email, social media, or distributor link. Once verified, you'll get full access to Spotify app for artists via artists.spotify.com. Here you can manage your profile, see detailed analytics, and promote your music. Every distributor's flow is slightly different, but the process is quick. Once you claim your profile, keep it updated with fresh visuals, bio edits, and artist pics, and grow your brand and fan base on Spotify. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.